Welcome to day 2 on our one pot meal. Today we're continuing on with a different meal entirely, and we're letting our pan heat up there. We've shredded the rest of the Boston butt, and we're about to throw it in there and start the second meal. Put a little oil, mushrooms, green peppers, the rest of the Boston butt. We cooked half a pound yesterday, and I went ahead and threw all 3 pounds in there, which brings it up to $7 on our Boston butt. Wait till you see what the total cost of this is going to be. We're actually going to do 3 days of prep for the same meal. Each meal feeds 4 people, 4 adults. It looks pretty good. The pork is starting to get crispy. The mushrooms and green peppers are starting to brown, getting that good crisp flavor on there. Now we're going to throw in some mixed vegetables. This is broccoli, carrot, cauliflower, and squash, yellow squash. And we also had some from our initial pot we cooked. Let this crisp up. Can you smell the cooking? Now here comes the fun part. We're going to take our pot from yesterday and we're going to add some of the broth for flavor. Here's what's left from yesterday. Little chunks of yellow are fat from the pork from the ham hock. They mean flavor. Adding about 6 cups. Remember, this is for adults. Or if you have some really hungry big kids. Let this come to a boil. Now we can throw in spices. We have seasoning salt, a little bit of chopped basil, and garlic powder. Mix that up in there. This is going to be really good. Now that it's coming to a boil, we're going to dump some cornstarch and water in to thicken it. Make a sauce. Remember, cooking on a budget is not about following recipes. It's about being creative and using what you have on hand. Let this come to a boil again and thicken up, and we'll be ready to serve. If you wanted to, you could throw in some heavy cream, you could throw in some half and half, you could throw in some chicken stock, some ham stock. This is going to have plenty of flavor though. You don't want it too thick, you just want it like a gravy or a sauce. You could even throw in some soy sauce or some hoisin sauce if you want a little more oriental flair to it. Alright, I think we're done. We're thick enough. Let's plate it up and see what it looks like. Pro tip, this is rice from a rice cooker. If you don't have a rice cooker, you need to get one. Put the rice in a little bowl, put a little spray oil on there so it comes out nicely. Isn't that cute? Now let's plate this up. I wish you could smell this. It smells wonderful. And there's a plate up. Stay tuned for tomorrow when we'll have a third meal out of the same pot. Wait till the end of the video to see how much money we actually spent. I think you're going to be surprised. I almost forgot the garnish. Sprinkle a little green onions on here for flavoring and for garnish. There you go. Number 2 dinner.